Hello Hendrickson and welcome to your maths lesson today. Today we are going to be using our part-whole model and we're going to be revisiting an old favourite, which is our throwing game, because I've heard that you have been enjoying this game a lot. But before we do all of that, we are going to be practicing counting to 10 from a random number. Yesterday we did 4. Today we are going to do from 6. So we're going to start with 6 and then work our way up. Here we go. Ready? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was nice and short, wasn't it? Let's try one more time. Ready? We'll start on 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now, if you're struggling with that just a little bit, then maybe you can work with your mummies and daddies with them saying a random number and you starting on that number and working your way up to 10. Fantastic. Now, on to our activity today. What we're going to do, last time when we did this, we knew that we were starting off with 10 objects when we were throwing them. Today, we are going to be using a similar concept, but we're going to then be working out a number sentence and working out how many altogether we're going to be throwing after we've done it. Let me demonstrate. First, as always, we need to designate these two boxes, one for going in and one for going out. So I'm going to say this one is all the ones for in, and this one is all the ones that go out. There you go. In and out. Then I've got my box. Now I do have 10 objects in here. I do have 10, but I'm not going to use all of them. So your next job is to find 10 objects. Now these can be socks, they could be magnets like I've got to make it easier on here. They could be anything you like to throw so long as they won't break. Now, I'll put my box over there to know where they go in. And then using your 10 objects, let's make sure I've got 10 to start with. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10. I'm going to put them in a pile on the floor and I'm going to pick a random amount. So I'm going to pick that amount there. So not all of them, and the rest of them stay over there. So these are only the ones I'm going to throw. I haven't counted how many I've thrown yet because we're going to use our part-whole model to work out how many I'm going to throw. Now that I've picked these up, I'm going to throw them and see if I can get them in. Let's have a go. Ready? Oh, that one went in, didn't it? Next one. Oh, missed. Oh, nearly. Yes, that one went in as well, didn't it? Here we go. Oh, Mr. Gear missed with that one, didn't he? Right, now we need to use that on here. So first of all, I'm going to see all the ones that went out. There they are. All these didn't go in, did they? They were out. There we go. How many? 1, 2, 3. Let's write that down. 3. And how many went in? Let's have a look. There's one up here and one over here. There were 2. 2 that went in. These are going to go on here. 1, 2. And I'm going to write that here. So just like we did yesterday, we can add in the add sign to add these two together. And afterwards we're going to say what it equals. Equals. Now, we now need to work out how many we threw all together. Now that's nice, that should be nice and easy because the whole means all of them. So all I need to do is I need to make sure that I put all of them that are in these two parts up here and count them. You ready? I'm going to put these ones up here and I'm going to put all of these ones up here. There we go. And now all I need to do is count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were 5 altogether. So I must know now that 2 add 3 equals 5. There we go. So I know that I must have thrown 5 altogether, because 2 went in, 3 were out, and altogether that equals 5. That is your challenge today. I would like you to have a go at doing exactly what I've just done. So, number 1, can you count how many went in and how many went out? That's your first challenge. The second one, can you use the part-whole model like I've done and work out how many you threw altogether? And your third challenge is, can you write the number sentences to go with it? Can you make sure you practice so you do this more than once to get really good at it? And don't forget to put it on Tapestry when you're done. And parents, please let us know how your child found this activity, as it will help our future planning. Thank you.